Hi, everyone. My name is Zishan Mohammadi, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of FundRx. FundRx focuses on venture investing in healthcare. And what we mean by healthcare is broadly defined as everything from biotechnology, med tech, healthcare IT, and services. It's the full spectrum, the entire ecosystem. It's fairly large and thus pretty attractive, both to venture investors and angel investors alike. And rightfully so. Over the last 10 years, healthcare has outperformed all venture 3-1. However, it's very difficult to participate for a few reasons. First, it's immensely complex to source a quality deal. This requires a robust infrastructure, tons of relationships, and a lot of handholding. Second is if you were to actually get your hands on a quality opportunity, the amount of headspace required to diligence this is sophisticated. You need to not only understand the science really well, but also be able to navigate the very strenuous regulatory environment. And finally, because of those reasons, these deals have only been really available to large venture funds. So as many of you know, to participate as an LP in any of these funds requires a significant bite size. So how do we change this? We've built a platform that sources, diligences, and provides a very simple way to invest in the top healthcare deals. We've created a platform that has brought individuals who are at the top of their science and the top of their business to come and co-evaluate and then invest in the best deals. We call this voting with your checkbook. Our process is simple. We've spent a lot of time going out and developing proprietary relationships with the top research and academic institutions. This is the lifeblood of healthcare innovation, and therefore requires a significant amount of time and effort to cultivate what we think are where we think the best innovation comes out of. These technology transfer offices send us what they are seeing as very value add to the ecosystem, not just small molecules. Once that deal comes to us, we have an investment committee that's comprised of traditional venture investors from the likes of Fidelity and Bessemer, who do a first cut, a quick go, no go. If it's a go, it enters into our platform for due diligence. This is where we really go to work as a technology platform. Looking at a variety of data sources, such as a coding system, scientific literature, as well as clinical trials, we identify experts in each one of those components to evaluate different aspects of an opportunity. For example, physicians will evaluate what this looks like at the point of care. Is this better from a billing standpoint for them or not? Scientists will evaluate the core technology, how feasible it is, and of course, people from industry will opine on items everything from regulatory pathway to manufacturing risk. All that information comes back to us and is then compiled into an investment report. When we see gaps in that, we ping individuals who participated in that diligence, sort of the highest caliber, to dig deeper. And so they'll go in and do another pass at certain aspects in their space. Once that information is fully baked out, we present the investor in a memo. Basically, here's the opportunity, the risk, the cons, and where you might see some ups and downs. The investor then takes this deal and can make an investment. Simple as that. We create an efficient SPV where everyone can make participate in a venture style deal for as little as $10,000. So people working with FundRx today are a variety of individuals. Obviously, the companies are excited about what we're doing. Besides raising money from a smart crowd, they also get access to a wonderful network. So if they're looking for individuals who have expertise in certain aspects that they don't today, they can find them on FundRx. Family offices and high net worth individuals, those who are sort of very interested in impact investing and getting access to the asset class, come to FundRx as a simple way to see what the brightest minds are getting behind. And again, looking back to voting with your checkbook, it's very easy to trust someone who has a ton of experience in a space that you don't, but you find compelling to get behind. Finally, all the members on the platform that participate in due diligences, et cetera, are also given the option to invest. So these are people that we've seen over the years have been paid by research institutions, $10,000, a few $1,000s for their time. Instead, we say the same work that you would have done, you can now participate at whatever check amount. And this creates a pretty compelling reason to stay with FundRx. So We launched publicly in August of 2015 and have done 8 deals. What's interesting about the deals we've done is a variety of stages, everything from early stage seed to pre-public offerings. And more importantly, it's not just companies that are struggling to raise capital. We've raised capital for individuals who started large pharma companies like Shire, as well as those who have seen close to 9-figure exits multiple times. Again, this is about creating a more efficient, simple ecosystem for investing in what is traditionally extremely complex. And that's the goal of FundRx. Thank you.